Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to request your data on Viber. Maybe you want to obtain a copy of data associated with your Viber account for personal or security reasons. So today I'm going to show you how to request your data on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, scroll up and tap on this Personal Data option. In this page, you can now see this Request Your Data option. Simply tap on it. A new page will open explaining the data request process. Tap on Continue to proceed. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to confirm the request. Simply tap on Confirm. After that, you now have successfully submitted your data request. Viber will now generate a data request and send it to your account once it is available. Take note that the data request can only be submitted once every 3 days. There you go. If you wanted to know how to request your data on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to request your data on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.